It was a time long ago, far away in a wondrous land, when angry gods ruled the heavens, Valkyries ruled the skies, and giants and monsters trod the earth. A barbaric time, when a young person's future depended not on acing the SATs, but on their proficiency with cold steel. When a young person had to endure bone-chilling winters and often had to kill to survive, and never once enjoy the comforts of cell phones, or Xboxes, or iPods, or double non-fat lattes, or Captain Crunch cereal, or 3-ply toilet paper, or even 2-ply toilet paper. In this deadly ice-bound world, two young Vikings, Dane the Defiant, and Astrith, Mistress of the Blade, must endure unbearable hardships and fight to survive a slew of bloodthirsty warriors, evil tyrants, towering frost giants, angry monsters, cantankerous trolls, and a nasty case of toe fungus. Journey now to the fantastic, mystical realm of Norsemen, gods, and monsters, in a time when the young grew up fast, lived by the blade, and used bear fat to gel their hair. Sons of Thor.